Let's see if we got any eggs today on the chicken run. Oh, here's our black rooster from the mail lady and his 2 chicks. Okay. Let's see if there's anything in here. There was an egg in here yesterday. No eggies. Okay. Let's check the other spot. Any eggies? It's dark in here. No eggs? They haven't been laying eggs because of the heat. Like, forget you, ain't laying no eggs. You out there and lay some eggs. Hey, chicky lickies. Oh, chicky lickies. Look at those chickens. All these baby chicks are from my mail lady. She gave us those. And she gave us her black rooster. Because he was getting beat up at her house. And all these little baby chicks she hatched herself. Look at those chickens in there. That's the rooster and 2 chickens. Oh, baby chick. You got wings, huh? That try to get our chickens, especially the babies. Sure wish I knew if that was okra. I'll be one happy camper if it is. I love okra. I love raw okra. But I don't know what that is. Might not be okra. It looks like okra. I don't know.